A very warm welcome to the channel, and finally some nice sunny weather here in the UK, following about 6 weeks of solid rain. So with some bright and warm weather, that only means one thing: some cooking on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. What I'm going to be doing today is sharing my trusty burger recipe with you good people. It's nothing overcomplicated, it's quick, simple, easy and fit enough to grace any barbecue. We'll be toasting some brioche buns, grilling a nice high-fat mince burger patty, finished with tomatoes, onions and a nice easy burger sauce. Okay, I can't stress this enough, the most important ingredient in your burger, and that is the mincemeat. Do try and get mincemeat with a good high fat content. You don't want lean mince because you'll get a dry burger, and nobody wants a dry burger. That isn't the point. Try and get the best quality mince that you can afford, preferably if you can from your butcher. I have 250 grams of mince here. This will make 2 patties. I'm going to split it in 2. The equivalent will be in ounces on the screen now. So we'll hit it with some salt, pepper, and last but not least about a teaspoon of garlic granules. Nothing overcomplicated here guys. I think you can overdo it with a burger. I like to keep it nice and simple, so I'll say about half a teaspoon of garlic granules. We don't want to overpower it, and we'll mix this in. Okay, I've split my meatballs in 2. I've already formed one patty. I've got this little burger former thing here. It's quite easy to make these by hand if you've not got one. I'm just going to pop my meatball in like so, spread it out. I'll try and leave a link to Amazon for one of these if I can find one. That will be on the video description. Just press that little thing on there like that. There we go. Again, we're not trying to win burger awards here, it's nice and simple. Right, we'll put that on a waiting plate and we'll pop these in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. Not too long, or that salt will start drawing the moisture out of the meat. Okay. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise. Right, a good burger is all about prepping ahead, so let's make this burger sauce, the easiest burger sauce in the world. 3 tablespoons of mayo. This is actually light mayo. It still works quite well. 1 in, 2 in, and 3. Next, some American style mustard. In with about a tablespoon, so we're looking about a 3-to-1 ratio. Good old blast of that. In we pop. Twist of salt, and we will mix that through. How simple is this? And we'll keep this in the fridge until we're ready to assemble our masterpieces. Next is onion prep, so we're looking at about maybe a third of a white onion, and we'll slice some nice thick-ish rounds, and we're going to get these on the grill. We will pop these on a plate, keep them in the fridge until we're ready to assemble. Again, it's all about prepping ahead. And last but not least, just a little tomato. So we're just going to slice this again nice, well, thickish. We'll also keep these on a plate and in the fridge until we're ready to roll. Now fill your pellet hopper about a third full. Next, put your Ninja into grill setting high. Don't forget to hit that smoke button and press start. Now get your sliced burger buns, brush with a little bit of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Now place on your preheated grill for about 30 seconds. Watch these like a hawk, they'll burn quick. This is the colour we're looking for. Brush your patties with a little bit of olive oil and place on your hot grill. Now brush the tops of your patties with a little bit more olive oil. And not forgetting to close that lid. Cook on one side for about 5 minutes. Drizzle your prepped onions with a little bit of olive oil and a few turns of salt and pepper. Once the 5 minutes is up, it's time to flip our burgers. Just look how caramelised they look. Pop some cheese on your burgers if using, and let's add those onions. Cook for a further 5 minutes and remember to close your lid. My burgers are now cooked and I've spreaded each of my buns generously with my burger sauce. Next, add some chopped baby gem lettuce. Top with your chopped tomato. Now's the best bit. Add each one of those juicy burger patties. And not forgetting to finish off with that lovely grilled onion. Now all that's left to do is get stuck into it. I'm sure there are far better burgers out there, but this one's really simple and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and thanks for watching.